welcome back to Elyse Reads to Friends, and today we're going to read Pigs Make Me Sneeze. And this is a biggie, but I'm reading this book, so it says, this story is something to sneeze at. I do not agree with that, but that's what he says. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald! He likes to do cartwheels. I can sense that. What do you want to do today? I want, yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Choo! Sniff, are you okay? I do not know. Achoo! Okay, I cannot stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot go near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. I think he's going a little too dramatic than he should have. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It's too late. Choo. Goodbye. Gerald. Ew, it's huge. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. You know something about the temperature. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. And I don't think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. He was smiling in the picture. I am sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Would you react like that if the doctor told you you were sick? I made that face was because my mom is videoing this. Piggy, great news! I have a cold! Good for you. And you know there's always the pigeon at the back of the book, so there he is. Thank you for watching Elyse Read to the Friends. Bye.